Mangithi qala ngavele ngayibonela isinqanda mathe sababa Nkosi yami intombi enhle kakhulu intombi yakoDlamini. So I know because you're not only the attendee of today's conference but you are one of the people esibaziyo, the musicians and artists akhona la eFriday futhi asezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu and we appreciate you for that. Ngiyacela nje ungibikelela ababukele ekhaya.
Ngiyabingelela ababukele emakhaya egameni lika Jesu. Ngiyanithanda kakhulu uBusi Dlamini lo. Ngiyahlabelela.
Kunjalo we are attending this event and the event eqalayo ukwenzeka is the first of its kind kwi Midnight Watches. What have you learned as inkonzo iqhubeka? What did God speak to you about most kule nkonzo le?
Yo uNkulunkulu ukhulume kakhulu kunabantu besifazane ukhulume ngokuthi masiphuma lana sifuna siphume sigcwalisiwe sizazi ukuthi singabobani sikwazi ukumelana ngabe isiphi isimo. Sifunde kakhulu futhi nangomthandazo ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi umuntu wesifazane ube umuntu obuthandazayo ikhathi zonke kungabe bikho isikhathi la khona othi khamba kahle awukhona ukuthandaza kusho ukuthi every time you pray leso sikhathi uNkulunkulu akunikeza sona sisebenzise to pray because maningi ama challenges esingabantu besifazane esibhekana nawo emhlabeni.
Hey siyabonga kakhulu ngiyacela before you go ngiyazi ukuthi awuthanda ukuhlala isikhathi eside abantu uma befuna ukukulandela on socials ubani amagama akho khona and where can they get your music?
Yes mina ngoBusi Dlamini konke nge-Instagram Busi Dlamini, Facebook Busi Dlamini, TikTok Busi Dlamini. Mawungidinga nje uthulala nalo sisi ubuza lo sisi then uzobe sekunikeza izinto eziqondile then ngiyatholakala. Amen.
Okay siyabonga kakhulu and I hope abantu invite when they are doing something imshado ama corporates and everything because God can sing.
I can sing even jazz I can sing or lokho nje hlobo lomculo ongacela ukuthi mhlawumbe emcimbini wakho ucela ngikwenzele lona ngicomfortable ngaso sonke isikhathi ukuthi ngikwenzele lona ujabule nawo.
Nizwele ke nani. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Siyabonga.